Should you get a home warranty? Should you renew your home warranty? That's what I'm gonna cover right now. Hey, I'm Ryan Schramm. I'm a local realtor and broker, owner of a boutique real estate company here in San Clemente. If you want the latest and greatest on what's happening in the housing market and the lifestyle of San Clemente and other beach cities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon so you get a notification when I drop a new video. So the $1 million question, it's actually not a $1 million question, it's more like a $500 question, because that's what a home warranty costs, is should you get one? Should you have one? And if you already have one, maybe you just bought a house and it's coming up, should you renew it? Here's what I know. Home warranties are great. What they do essentially is provide coverage of your appliances. They can provide coverage of your pool equipment. They can provide coverage of your roof and sometimes plumbing as well. Now, here's the big thing to know about a home warranty. It's only going to cover things that break down on you if you can prove that they were previously working. So a lot of times when you buy a new house, you're gonna have a home inspection done, and your home inspector is gonna go test all of those things we just mentioned. Pool equipment, appliances, he's gonna look at the roof, he's gonna look at the plumbing. So if you're buying and closing on a house, make sure you keep that home inspection, file it away, keep it in a digital log somewhere, because when your home warranty, when you need to call the home warranty company and say, hey, my refrigerator just broke down, they're going to want to see proof in the home inspection that it was working previously. This happens all the time. So if you can't prove that it was working, these home warranty companies will very likely find a way to backpedal out of having to cover that thing in which you need coverage on. Now, along those same lines, something that you have to know is a home warranty is only good if you actually use it. Now, it seems simple, but what do I mean by that? You have to go through the process of pulling up your home warranty and calling the home warranty company so that they can dispatch a tradesperson out to the house. That call, that service call, is usually a flat fee. It's typically around $60 to $80 depending on the home warranty company. And if they deem that the thing that they're fixing was previously working and that it failed after being perfectly in good shape, then that home warranty company usually covers the fix. They cover the entire fix, whether it needs to be replaced or it needs to be fixed. And sometimes it might be a proration, like if an appliance was very, very old, they might give you a proration towards the fix. But the key here is you've gotta call the company. You can't have your favorite handyman come out and fix it and then retroactively try and go back and get the home warranty company to pay for it, because they will not do it. So just to recap, home inspection. If you're buying a house and closing, make sure and keep that home inspection so that you can provide it to the home warranty company should you have any warranty claims. Second thing to recap, make sure and call the home warranty company first. As soon as something breaks, the first call is the home warranty company. And then lastly, be prepared to stick to your guns. This is just like any other type of insurance. You've got to make sure and stick to your guns. Be firm with the home warranty company. When something was working before and it's broken, it's their responsibility, and you must be firm in that fact. And if they tell you no at first, push back on that, because it's what's right, and that's why you have the coverage. So really lean in on that. Something that can be really helpful too is if you bought a house with me and you got a home warranty company through one of the companies that we often use, I have a representative that works for that company, and we can leverage our relationship with that person to get a claim accepted. All right, so a second topic on this point, if you've had a home warranty for 11 months or so and it's coming up on its renewal date at 12 months, should you renew? That really is up to the individual person. I know people that come from both schools of thought. Don't use a home warranty, never have, never will, and I always have a home warranty because in the long run I save. Here's what I'd recommend. If you're gonna renew your home warranty, make sure you're using it. Make sure you're calling your home warranty company for every little thing that pops up so that you're actually getting the value out of it. Because if you're not picking up the phone and calling it, it's probably not worth having. They cost $500, $600, $700 a year, depending on the amount of coverage. And that over time is going to add up if you're not using it. But if you're being disciplined about using it, then it will absolutely pay for itself over the course of 3 to 5 years. So that's my take on home warranty. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next video.